Welcome viewers to the Specialist Wine Service training. Proper wine service is crucial in the hospitality industry as it enhances the dining experience and showcases professionalism. In this training, we will cover key learning objectives based on the NCT VET standard. First, let's talk about advising customers on local and imported wines. Greet customers warmly and offer help with their wine choices. Ask about their taste preferences, whether they prefer sweet, dry, fruity, or bold wines. Explain the concept of wine pairing, such as red wines with red meats and white wines with seafood. Offer specific recommendations based on the menu. It's important to provide accurate and current wine information, discussing wine regions, grape varieties, and flavor profiles. Share details on wine aging, fermentation, and production techniques. Use simple language to describe wine categories like sparkling, fortified, and still. Explain winemaking processes such as fermentation, aging, and bottling. Next, we will evaluate wines. Teach viewers the steps of wine tasting, which include appearance, aroma, taste, and finish. Explain terms like body, tannins, acidity, and sweetness. Ask customers about their favorite brands or previous wine experiences to check product and brand preferences. Offer suggestions based on customer feedback and availability. Recognize and address impaired wine quality by identifying signs of spoiled wine, such as cork taint, oxidation, or sediment issues. Demonstrate how to properly reject or replace a compromised bottle. Now, let's move on to developing wine lists. Discuss menu changes and wine compatibility with chefs and managers to coordinate with kitchen staff. Adjust wine offerings to complement seasonal dishes. Ensure a variety of reds, whites, rosés, and sparkling wines on the list. Considering price range, customer preferences, and food compatibility. Use clear, concise descriptions for each wine and arrange them by category, price, or region for easy navigation. When it comes to storing and handling wines, maintain correct temperature and humidity levels, ideally between 55-60 degrees Celsius and 50-70% humidity. Store bottles horizontally to keep corks moist. Explain how to decant aged wines to remove sediment and transport wine carefully to avoid disturbing sediments. Train staff to recognize and address spoilage, contamination, or storage issues, and implement a stock rotation system to prevent expired inventory. Updating wine knowledge is essential. Encourage staff to attend wine tastings, read industry publications, and follow wine trends. Use online resources and networking to stay updated. Monitor customer orders and preferences to identify emerging trends and adjust wine selections based on feedback and market demand. Keep track of global wine trends, such as organic, biodynamic, and natural wines, and adapt wine lists and promotions to align with industry shifts. In conclusion, we have covered key points from each element of specialist wine service training. I encourage you to engage in ongoing learning and connect with wine connoisseurs. Thank you for watching, and please subscribe for more similar videos. I invite you to practice your skills in real-world dining room settings.